This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Out driving our 78 Ford F150. That's our rough old bridge. Running a couple thousand RPMs. Going down the road. Actually drives pretty good. I think truck's been kind of sitting around some, so speedometer don't work. Fuel gauge always says it's got a quarter. I don't know if the temp gauge works either. So she's a project, but it's not rusty. Obviously it's beat up and dented, but it's a good solid truck to start with. You don't got to replace a lot of rust. And we drove it, I suppose we got 50, 75 miles on it. We used it out hunting out west. Western South Dakota, where it come from. So if you're looking for a cheap F-150, got a lower budget, drive this as you work on it. That's the nice thing about these. You can do what you want. Maybe you want to do the interior, maybe you want to do the drivetrain, or you just drive it the way it is.